Strategies and tips all campers should utilize. Camping is a wholesome activity that can be shared with friends and family. But some people don't camp because they assume that it's not easy. It does not need to be if you have all of the right information. The video below has the tips and tricks you need to become a happy camper. Bring a large trash bag for dirty laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. Purchase a quality tent. It can be tempting to score a good deal on a tent, but you want to find something that can hold both you, your family members and your belongings. Try visiting a store that specializes in outdoor gear. They tend to have well-made products that will last for a while. Keep the needs of your family in mind before selecting a destination. For example, if you have a baby or toddler, it may be best to stick close to home in case things don't go as planned. If you have teenagers, however, you may enjoy traveling to a different state. Choose what is best for you. Before you leave on your trip, use your backyard to help you work out the kinks in your camping equipment. Put up your tent to make sure you know, or remember, how to put it up. This will also allow you to see if anything needs to be patched up. It will make it that much easier for you when you get to the campsite. Now that you've come to the end of this video, you realize how easy camping can be. Anyone can do it. Use the information above to make your next trip a wonderful one. You will soon be on a great outdoor adventure. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.